Oh, hey. I guess I need to introduce myself. I am Elephant Potato. Yeah, make fun of it. What is your name, whippersnapper? I tell you, you kids these days don't have no respect. All your cell phones, computers, and TV shows. And what is that thing called? YouTube. What is it? YouTube. People spending hours and hours looking at videos all day long. You won't never catch me on no YouTube. Listen, I'm not in the mood for this internet age crap. What I miss is being out in the fields. Now that was living. Now look at me. I got crap sprouting up all around me. I tell you, I have a bone to pick with everyone. But I would leave that for another day. Why? Why? Why the heck not? You snot-nosed little brats. Now I am Elephant Potato, and don't you forget it. Oh, I was told to ask for your comments below. See, if you have something to say, say it. Let me know what bugs you. Let me know what makes you mad. So I guess this is bye. So bye. Damn YouTube. Oh, dang it.